In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a job application form in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to focus on the form section right here in the middle of the screen, and then I want you to click on Form Builder. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the Online Form Builder widget page. From here, click on Create Widget for Free, and then you'll be taken down to the Template section. So on the left-hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from, and on the right-hand side, you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Webflow website. Now, in our case, if you want to create a job application form, what I recommend you to do is to scroll all the way to the bottom until we find the registration forms category, and then I want you to go to the second page. Now, bear in mind that depending on when you're watching this video, this form might even be on the third page. Another thing that I want to mention is that all of these templates that you see here on the left-hand side are fully customizable both in terms of design and functionality, so don't worry about the initial look just yet. Like I said, we can remove and add a bunch of different elements. We can add cover letters, we can add your logo, we can change the color of the text, we can change the alignment to the text, we can add buttons. I will show you how to do all of that in the next section. For now, go ahead and choose this template or any other one that is more closely relevant to what you're looking for, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where you can now start building out your job application form. Now, if you want to build out your form completely from scratch, let's just suppose that you couldn't find a form that closely resembles what you're looking for, I would recommend you to go ahead and delete all of the fields that you see here on the left hand side. So all you have to do is go ahead, click on the three dots here, and then click on delete for all of them, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and go ahead and add all the fields that are relevant for your job application. So for example, I'm going to go for file here, and then obviously customize this, and then click on done, and then it will automatically be added to the form itself. Mine should be near the bottom here, as you can see, there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And another alternative that you have is you can actually go ahead and use Elfsight's AI form generator. So what you can do here is click on generate form and basically describe to the AI what type of job application form you're looking for. So in my particular case, I want to go ahead and generate a job application for a cybersecurity position. And here is my prompt. Before you write your prompt, I recommend you to read this list of instructions right here. And I would also recommend you to go in a little bit more detail. That way the AI will basically give you something that's more relevant to what you're looking for instead of being super broad like me. Once you're done, click on generate and then start generation. Give it a couple of seconds, and then the AI will automatically generate the form based on your input. As you can see, here is mine. So you have your education background, university, work experience, etc. Now, of course, you might want to make some small tweaks to the fields here. So if you want to change anything in any particular field, click on the three dots, click on edit, and then go ahead and edit whatever it is that you need to change in the fields. Once you're done with building out the fields on your form, if you go down a bit, you will see header, submit button, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your job application form. So for example, if you go to the header section right here, this resembles this particular section of the form. So here's the title, the caption. You can also go ahead and have the cover image, a logo, and you can also change the alignment of the text. And if you don't want the header, you can just simply disable it like that. And basically the exact same goes for the submit button here, the footer, and the success message. It's all very self-explanatory. Once you're done building out your form, on the left hand side you also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are even more customizations that you can take advantage of. So for example, if you go to appearance right here, the current color scheme of my job application form is light mode. But I can also go ahead and click on dark, and it'll automatically change it like that. I can go ahead and also change the accent color from this purplish to maybe green like this. I can also go ahead and change the style of the form itself as well as the font. And at the bottom here, you can also customize very specific elements of the form, such as the background, the header, form fields, and so forth. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of here. There's truly so many things they can change and make this job application form truly bespoke to your needs. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for Free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to go ahead and publish the widget. So click publish here in the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. this is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started or if you're testing Elfsight out, this is a good plan to go for. Do bear in mind that this comes with some Elfsight branding, so if you want your widget to be 100% ad free, then choose any of the premium plans and it will be removed. With the premium plans, you also get to unlock some premium features, such as you can have 3 widgets, for example, with the basic plan instead of just 1. And as you can see, there's lots of different premium plans that you can choose from, and if you decide to subscribe to any of them annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your job application form. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. As you can see, I'm already in my Webflow editor right here, and what I've done is I've added a separate section, which is where I want my job application form to go. In your particular case, it doesn't need to have a new section. You can add it any way you want on your Webflow website. I've done this for simplicity's sake. I just want to quickly show you how to add it and basically integrate it into your website. So once you've selected a section or the place where you want your form to go, click on the plus icon right here in the top left corner of the screen and then search for code, then click on code embed. What that's going to do is open up this window. So simply paste the code in here that you copied from Elfsight, click on save and close, and then what we need to do is go ahead and publish the website. Click on publish here in the top right corner, then publish to selected domains. Give it a couple of seconds to update, and then we're going to go ahead and preview a website and see the changes in real time. So here's the preview of my website, and if I go down a bit, you will see my job application form right here. As you can see, it's fully interactive. And I click submit application right here as well. Here is the Elfsight branding that I talked about. So to get rid of this, all you have to do is go for one of the premium plans and it will automatically be removed. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top left. This is only visible by you just in case you want to go back and make any changes to the form while it's still live on your Webflow website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a job application form in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.